Are you filming already? Okay. My car's dead. It's not technically dead. The battery's not plugged in. But it's got a problem where one of the lights, the daytime running light on the right hand side, turns on and kills the battery. So jump pack, get it moved. And we're going to be test fitting. We're going to be test fitting the body kit today. So we'll get to see what it looks like while I do gymnastics to try to open my bonnet. I'll at least try get the rear bumper on, see how that looks. Front bumper might be alright to fit. Obviously not permanently, but running around leaving scars, collecting a jar of hearts. Is that the lyrics?
Yeah.
There you go. See? I know my Lady Gaga songs.
That's not Lady Gaga. It's Christina Aguilera. At least I hope it's Christina Aguilera.
That's a made up name. Or because it's so rotten that the bit to hold it is coming with the car, with the bumper. Option number 2. Luckily, we've got a new front valance, which looks like a new front valance is all it's going to need, because I will replace that, and that is all part of the front valance, which is all together in one piece. Would you look at that? How handy.
That is... Oh, the crunch.
Front bumper. Oh hey. Oh no. Front valance. Let's see how that mounts. Whoever done the electrics on this is a fucking moron. Yeah. There you go. Rusty, crusty pile of shite. How many boxes do you want?
There you go.
Well, that looks like the right one. Great success. Great success. Just finishing putting the front valance on, the new one. Which, by the way, looks fucking really good if I do say so myself. This screw's being a little shit. It's been very difficult for some reason, unbeknownst to me. Anyway, looks like we're not going to mount that today because we've run out of time. But we did get the rear mounted and we did get the front valance replaced. So, today we've accomplished the new front valance, which means no more wibbly wobbly wibbly, and we've test fitted, or dry fitted, the rear bumper, which looks absolutely wicked. And I can't wait to have two massive shotguns out the side of it. That looks really good. Yeah, that's it for today, or this weekend. Be back next week.